Hi friends! As you have probably seen from the title of this video, we are going to be talking all about monochromatic dressing today. And this is one of my favorite styles or trends, just to be able to make dressing in the morning time so much simpler, so much easier, but also still feeling very put together, very elegant, very chic, looking like you know how to dress yourself in the morning. I know I have struggled with that time over time, and I'm sure some of you all have as well. So this is going to be all about monochromatic dressing, one of my favorite ways to look put together no matter what the occasion. So if you're not familiar with the concept, monochromatic dressing just means basically dressing all in one color or all in a very similar color palette. So for instance, that might mean your entire outfit that day is black, or like in the case of what I'm wearing today, your entire outfit is a creamier white neutral color. I have an oatmeal, I have a bit of an ivory, I have a white denim. It's colors that all are in the same family and might not always be in the exact same hue, but they are all in the same color family. And what this does from head to toe, if you're wearing all basically one color or inside of one color family, this just really brings your entire outfit together. This just really puts together and puts on this lovely, elegant, sophisticated front because it all goes together and it all blends seamlessly together and it all just looks so amazing. And one of my favorite things to do inside of monochromatic dressing is to dress for the color palette and the colors that actually look very, very good on my skin tone. So I'm sure that you have heard a lot about this concept of different colors work with different skin tones, whether you have a warmer skin tone, more of an olive color, or you have a cooler skin tone, and colors like bright pinks and bright oranges and vibrant reds look amazing on you. I think that is one of the best ways that you can kind of create outfits that not only look good, but also you feel very confident in. And I feel like, again, that's just my personal ethos when it comes to fashion and styling, is we wear clothes to be a representation of how we feel and how confident we are and what we love. And it shows your personality. So dressing monochromatically for your skin tone just really lets you, again, put together outfits that are unique, that are creative, that are beautiful, that make you feel beautiful and confident. Now, inside of monochromatic dressing, you can also get very, very fun with not just the colors and the tones that you put together, but also the patterns and some of the styles and some of the textures that you pair together as well. One of my favorite things to do inside of monochromatic dressing is to go a little bit more bold with the textures of the textiles that I'm putting together. So for instance, if I wanted to pair a silk skirt with a very chunky, heavy wool cardigan, inside monochromatic dressing, where it's all one color palette, that just works so much better together than, for instance, maybe a chunky gray sweater with maybe a black silk skirt, which could still look just fine. But when you're pairing it in the same color family, it just elevates it a little bit. It adds a little bit of a edge to it, adds a little bit of elegance to the entire ensemble. And I feel like a lot of people think that inside monochromatic dressing, you have to stay specifically in the neutrals. So you have to only wear all white or only wear all black or all gray. But actually you can, if you are a color focused person, you can do whatever you want. So again, going back to that skin tone conversation, I don't look great in a lot of pastels or super vibrant colors. Think pinks or light blues or oranges or reds. I look better in jewel tones, warmer neutrals, etc. So I don't have a lot of examples in my own closet of women or outfits that dress really, really well, but I did find some examples around the internet of women who do monochromatic dressing in fun colors and styles very, very well. So you can start out, if you want and love baby pink and you have a beautiful baby pink sweater and skirt set, or a suit that's a baby pink color, or you have a fun pair of colored jeans and a really fun top that's the same color family, the same tone, pair them together. It's going to look great. I promise you. If you love it, then it will look good. You can do the same thing with reds, especially now that we're in the holiday season. A head to toe monochromatic red look is just absolutely stunning. Obviously, you can do this with neutrals, and it's going to add that bit of a classy edge to any of the neutrals that you're wearing, from blacks to grays to ivories, true whites, anything like that. But as you're going through this idea of monochromatic dressing, I wanted to share a few tips that I have learned along the way. So first of all, don't be afraid to mix your textures and textiles. If you have a gorgeous velvet shoe that you want to pair with maybe a silk dress, or you have a very chunky cardigan that you want to pair with more of a broadcloth or a cotton, don't be afraid inside of this idea of monochromatic dressing to mix your textures, mix your textiles for just a very unique and interesting look. Second of all, don't be afraid to try a new silhouette. Inside of monochromatic dressing, you have a little bit more leeway because you're only wearing one color family. You're only wearing one color tone. So if you're really interested or intrigued by a cropped sweater and high-waisted denim, but you don't really think that that would be something that you would wear on a day-to-day basis or inside one of your normal outfits, try it in a monochromatic outfit and see if that's going to be something that sparks your interest. Likewise, if you have a really oversized shirt and you want to try and see if you can style that somehow, try it inside a monochromatic outfit. Again, you might be surprised how staying inside the same color family in your outfits is really going to lend itself to you being able to play with different silhouettes that might end up looking very, very good on your body type. Thirdly, make sure that you add in a bit of interest and intrigue, if you want to, with colors and patterns. Even something as simple as an eyelet in a blouse could be gorgeous in a monochromatic outfit, and add just a little bit of interest or a little bit of intrigue into what you're wearing. And then fourthly, again, just know that you don't have to have the exact same color tones for your monochromatic outfit to work. You can wear an oatmeal cardigan and a more ivory t-shirt and then a brighter, lighter white inside of a monochromatic outfit, and you're still going to fit within that style. Again, fashion is what you make it. It is fun. It is meant to be a reflection of your personality, your style, and monochromatic outfits can really just, again, take you to the next level, can elevate that a little bit, and can open up a whole world of possibilities inside of your wardrobe that you might not have thought of before. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was inspirational for you. We'll see you again next time.